What is songwriting in one sentence? Well, songwriting to me is all about emotion and communication.
As a songwriter, you're a compilation of all those things you listen to and all those feelings that you feel.
Songwriting to me is as much about raw talent as it is about instinct.
What I do like to tell my students, if you're a lyricist, come with a book of ideas or a phone full of ideas.
I really just go into every writing session with a lot of joy, with a lot of happiness, with a lot of excitement, sometimes nervous excitement, and just I'm along for the journey.
It's always dark before the sunrise. When you're holding on and you're fighting to survive, well, don't you just feel alive?
Lyrically, I want to make sure that everybody is writing from the heart. I want to make sure that people are writing subject matter that means something to them and then in turn means something to the listener.
It is about taking all the information, the experience, everything you've listened to, everything you've heard, everything you've been through, and putting them to music and expressing that. But there's a skill in making it more universally appealing.
Celine Dion was doing a Christmas record, and he goes, "Why, you got something better?" I'm like, "Yeah, I do." So I finished the demo, brought it back to him. He called me, he's like, "Listen to this," and he puts me on the phone, and she's singing the song. And I was like, "Oh my God."
If you're signing up for this retreat, we know you're an artist who has an urge to create something meaningful. Our aim is to help turn you from a good songwriter to a great one.
It's about honing in on your individual voice, what you want to say, how you want to say it, and how to get it out into the world for everyone to hear.
We want to help you unlock your potential.
Unlock your potential.
Unlock your potential.
I'm Rob Wells.
My name is Maria Christensen.
I'm Sridhar Solanki.
Sign up now for the International Songwriting Summer Retreat at the Irish Institute of Music and Song, Dublin.
We
Can't wait to meet you.